I'm representing Charlie's El Nido. Play. Why choose Charlie's? Okay. Why choose Charlie's? Reason number 1. Charlie's El Nido is our tropical hideaway in Palawan. We are secluded yet accessible. Meaning, we are not a beachfront property, but we do offer complimentary shuttle services to El Nido Town and Leo Beach. Next slide, please. Reason number 2. We are fit for every type of traveler. Why? We can cater to events, both corporate and socials. We do have 3 dining options, which is Charlie's Restaurant, Liam's, which is located in Leo Beach, and Calia Artisano. We also offer our yoga studio for our guests who would like to relax and be away from the hustle and bustle of this city life. Airplane talaga yan. Kasi hindi tayo makakalipad eh. So anyway, reason number 3, we offer world-class service with a heart at a fraction of the price. So when I say world-class service, Charlie's is only 55 rooms. So we offer individual, customized service to every guest. So it means natututukan namin yung rooms namin, yung guests namin, and we offer it with a heart. So thank you all for listening. These are the top 3 reasons why you should choose Charlie's El Nido.